Hi, I'm MSP. Welcome to Computer Programming for Beginners. I'll be the instructor for this course, and just to let you know, this work is done by me for my personal interest, nothing official. Well, you are going to learn about computer programming in this course. Note that there is no programming knowledge or experience required to do this course, but there will be some prerequisites. The minimum requirements for doing this course are: you should be studying or have studied at least senior secondary. For Indians, this means ninth or 10th standard, and for others, it could be something like Form 4 or Form 5. You should be able to read, write, and understand English. You should have basic knowledge in mathematics. You should have a reasonably good computer to practice. You should have Windows 7, Visual Basic 2010, Microsoft Word, Excel, and Visio installed on your computer. It is worth to note that our focus in this course is to lay a strong foundation in programming fundamentals only, not on the programming language we use, that is Visual Basic. According to my experience in software field, learning programming is like learning how to drive a car or bike. Once you have learned how to drive a car, you can drive any car such as Tata, Toyota, Ambassador, Fiat, or Benz. When a car is new to you, it could be a bit of a challenge in the beginning, but note that the fundamentals of driving a car are the same. A steering wheel is going to be the steering wheel, and a brake will be a brake in all cars. There could be some differences between the cars, but the concept of accelerator, clutch, starting, turning, reversing, and parking are the same in all cars. And if you are really interested, it will not be difficult for you to drive a Scorpio, XUV, Range Rover, or even a Fortuner. Same way, in computer programming, the fundamentals are the same. They are analyzing, designing, developing, and testing. They do not change between programming languages. Once you have understood these fundamentals correctly and strongly, you can switch between any programming language without much difficulty. Therefore, as I have already indicated, our focus is going to be only on programming fundamentals, not on Visual Basic. But friends, you should not forget one thing. You will definitely need additional training to drive a truck or bus. Same way, you might require additional training or experience to learn other tools such as Blender or AutoCAD. When I started my career, I received a very strong programming foundation from Ms. Molini, Mr. Selvaraj, and Mr. Bharat Singh, who taught me programming and its fundamentals. After several years of working in the field, I realized that my success in analyzing problems and designing solutions is only due to the strong foundation I received from them in my early days of programming. This realization made me to think that I should share my knowledge and experience with the younger generation of programmers. I think the opportunity has come in the name of social media, and I am trying to utilize it. Good, now let's talk business. In this course, we will be learning the programming fundamentals and will also learn some tools. On the fundamental side, we will learn flowcharts, algorithms, pseudocode, and programming. We will use Microsoft Visual Basic to develop our programs. On the tools side, we will use Microsoft Visio, Word, and Excel for various purposes, and they will make our life easy in the world of programming. Note that there are exactly 108 exercises in this course. The exercises are built like building blocks. When we progress, you will notice that I refer back to many exercises and reuse the code. Therefore, I strongly suggest you to complete all exercises without fail. If you think you are already familiar with some of the concepts and techniques that we are discussing, you may skip learning, but please do not skip the exercises. Otherwise, it might be difficult for you to complete the full course. Well, this is not a kind of course conducted in a classroom, but a group of students learning around the world using the course materials made available on the internet. Therefore, we may not meet face to face and your doubts will not be cleared immediately. The best approach is to post your doubts or questions on the group. Your question will be definitely answered either by me or some of our fellow members. Please ask questions only relevant to this course. I am sure you will enjoy this course and find it very interesting. See you in our next session.